Today we talk about how can you enable Reddit announcements notifications on your Reddit app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You go above this photo, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on manage notifications. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, so you keep going down here and you come here to Reddit announcements. Click in this side. Now, like you see, this color show for us. That's main Reddit announcements notifications. Enable it with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.